This is the 2021 GLE Coupé. Now in this video I'll show you guys all the exterior features of this GLE 53 and take a look at the interior and listen to the sound from the engine. Now the exterior color of this GLE 53 Coupé is the Designo Diamond White Metallic. Now you can get this car in a range of colors including the Mojave Silver, blue or Obsidian Black. And I'll post some of the other colors which come with this GLE 53. In terms of engine and performance, this GLE 53 Coupé is a 3-liter inline 6 with EQ boost, producing 429 horsepower with 384 pound-feet of torque. Wow guys, let's check out the front. You have the double eyebrow on each of these headlamps. These are multi-beam LED lights, as well as they have adaptive high beam assist and cornering lights as well. And if you notice, this LED is a 3-layered LED, so you have 1, 2, 3 layers on top of each other. So very good design on these multi-beam LED lights. And then at the top you have those power domes that we love on Mercedes-AMG right here. Offers more aggressive features on the car. Front profile Panamericana grille with the vertical chrome slats. And then take a look at the size of this Mercedes emblem. Larger than my hand. Now, one thing you'll notice is the Mercedes star is inside this pane right here, which means this car has the active distance distronic systems. Love how it has a double circular chrome design on it. And the active distance distronic means your car works with your radar tech at the top for your driver assistance packages. On the front apron, you have black, high gloss black elements around each of these air intakes. You do have some grooves on this top layer with the horizontal fins on it, so you can see this high gloss black element right here. You also have another high gloss black element right here which flows all the way through to the other side. From this perspective, you can see the sensors on the lower lip right here. Also, you have a front facing camera because you have amazing 360-degree view on this car with the parking assist. AMG branding right here. And then the Mercedes emblem is flush on the hood of the car. So that is a sound check on this brand new GLE 53 Coupé. Now let's take a look at the engine. This is it guys, 3-liter inline 6 turbo engine with EQ boost. 429 horses, 384 pound-feet of torque. Love the AMG inscription right here with the red stripe underneath. Your battery goes right here. And pretty neat design. You're not going to see a whole lot of wires with Mercedes. That's the engine on this GLE 53 Coupé. Now let me close this hood. Let me show you guys how those look. These are the all new LED taillights. Gorgeous LED. I love how they pinch in the back toward the center, and this is literally where BMW and Audi really appreciate the rear design. It has the AMG Performance exhaust system, which offers the quad exhaust, and you have dual chrome tailpipes with the black chrome. And then obviously because of the AMG Night package, you have this high gloss black element on top of the rear diffuser. Has a class 2 trailer hitch, so if you want to tow a boat or some other cargo, you have a trailer hitch right here, straight from Mercedes-Benz. On the rear, you have these aerodynamic features on the side of the car, and the Mercedes logo is also your trunk opener. Now let's take a look at the trunk space. And then on that trunk you have a cargo cover, which allows you to protect your luggage, because in this summer heat it can get up to 90 degrees depending on where you live, and being in Utah, go to 95 today, so very, very hot day. You want to have your luggage or your cargo protected. And it's a pretty decent sized trunk. And then inside here you have the AMG floor mats, and then there's a button right here for lowering the suspension so you can haul or load up your luggage. And I love this protection chrome aluminum piece on the trunk. Make sure you don't want to damage this part of the trunk. This GLE 53 Coupe has the electronic trunk close, and it closes in this design. Really appreciate the Coupe design. You have black tinted windows. AMG Night Package offers you these high gloss black elements around the windows. At the top you have a panorama sunroof. Side profile, you do have chrome door handles, and these are very large Mercedes rims. Now the size on these tires is 325/35 R22. These are 22-inch rims. Love the wheel arches. Make sure that you leave some comments regarding that if you like that feature. On the front as well, has a very aggressive styling with the wheel arches, and I love this feature right here, aerodynamic elements. Now take a look at the wheel arches. And these are the specially designed Mercedes Y spoke rims. They do resemble the letter Y with the AMG badging right there. Same as the front. Size at the front is 295/40 R22. Again, 22-inch rims, silver brake calipers, and AMG branding right there. This is a 4MATIC Plus turbo drivetrain on this GLE 53 Coupe. You can see these side running boards right here. One of the other options you can get is illuminated side running boards, black side mirror housings, so let me know what you guys think about the side profile. In the interior, I'll show you guys another feature which allows you to lower the car, which means it sits on a lower profile. Let me start right here with the passenger's perspective. You do have memory seating 1, 2, 3. You have heated, cooled, and ventilated seats. You have the Burmester speaker system, and then you have carbon fiber inserts on the door. This is leather interior with the black contrast stitching. Look at the window locks as well. And then on the interior, love this feel on the leather here. This is MB-Tex. And then because it's literally brand new, you still have the paper on the LCD display. You have these 4 rectangular air vents at the center. You also have the chrome accent right here underneath the carbon fiber inserts on the upper dash. And then your climate control systems come down here. And then center console, you have NFC charging right here. You have 2 cup holders. You do have heated and cooled cup holders. Center display is controlled from down here on this touchpad. On the interior of this GLE 53 Coupé, you have this large center display, and then you have the instrument clusters on the other side. The system is fully touch screen. One of the core features is allows you to create profiles, up to 5 different profiles for your different drivers on this car. Now real quick, this is the MBUX system on the GLE 53 Coupé. You have your phone menu here, which means you can set up your device, up to 2 devices. Take a look at your contact list. You can search for your contact, and also you can just write a name, and then it's going to pull up your contact based on your lettering as well. Keypad, you still have to connect your device. You have a settings menu, which is your device manager option, name format, importing contacts, and all that. Navigation system, go into settings. You have traffic, parking, highway information, advanced options, and then you have your map orientation, which means you can set 2D heading up, 2D north, or 3D maps. That's your mapping on the Maps app. You can have your tone adjustment and routing guidance as well, fast, short, eco. Go back to home again. You have your radio, which is your media center. You have your Sirius XM satellite radio, FM, AM, and all the good stuff. On the media, you can connect media devices, USB device, as well as Bluetooth connection. Comfort allows you to set different massage features on this car. It does have energizing comfort as one of the packages. So you have different massages: hot relaxing back, relaxing shoulder, activating massage, and classic massage. I can set mine to activating massage, and then right there my massage kicks off. You have your seating comfort, seating kinetics, which allows your seat to contour to your body. Ambient lighting, 64 colors, you know how that goes. Energizing comfort, which is a very, very cool feature. Okay, now let's check it out. It actually plays very cool music and sounds inside the car, and then starts to run the AC for you to make sure you're really relaxing and cooling off. And I have a video on the energizing comfort on a GLS 580. Make sure you check out that video. AMG performance allows you to look at different metrics on your car. You have your engine. You can look at the performance, the engine torque, oil temperatures, transmission, consumption of your car, the fuel, MPG, and dynamic select. You can configure your individual mode right here. Then you have other Mercedes Me and apps. You can connect your smartphone and connect to Mercedes. Settings. You have a lot of quick access options right here. You have autonomous driving on this car, and then assistance, vehicle lighting system, and all the other cool features. One of the other themes I love down here is what they call Mercedes themes. You can set this to adventure, and all your displays change at the touch of a button. Going back, you can set this to lounge, and then this turns into a more entertainment focused theme on the car. Now that's Mercedes MBUX system. Right here you have 4 air vents, rectangular air vents. Love these features here. Carbon fiber insert, You have another one right here. Burmester speaker system right here. And then the spot knob is right here, allows you to change different driving modes. So if you go back to the very top, you have trail, then you have slippery mode, individual mode, comfort, then you have sport, and finally you have sport plus, which you adjust with this button. Traction control off is right here, as well as your suspension over here. Now down here at the center console, you have exhaust valve button right here. Your suspension systems are here. You can raise and lower the height orientation on this car right here with this button, and then your manual mode options and traction control off. Parking system right here, which means you can set you can press on this button as you use your parking assist for the car. Favorites, and then you have navigation, radio, telephone, and the other option. And this is NFC charging and USB-C charging. And then this panel closes out in that fashion. So very cool feature. As I mentioned, you have ambient lighting in the car. And then take a look at the seats. This is all premium leather seats with the AMG badging right here. These are very good design. Up here you have a moonroof. Emergency services are up here. You have a speaker system right here. Your sun visors. And take a look at the back seating on the GLE 53 Coupe. You can sit 3 adults here in the back very comfortably. You have car seat hooks for the kids down here. And then you also have USB-C charging right here, 115 volt outlet right here. You have a small storage compartment for your phone or something like that. Air vents back here for your back passengers. You have storage behind each seat. Also you have ambient lighting which flows throughout the cabin. And that's your back perspective. You still have carbon fiber inserts on the side panel here, Burmester speaker system, and some storage down here. Take a look at the tint on the windows. The small window here is also tinted. And that's the look on the all new GLE 53 Coupe. I'll do one final walk around. It does look that this color is it's playing tricks on the eyes. I don't know if you can see that. It's white, but it has a hazy look on it. And that's a quick look on the brand new GLE 53 Coupe. Leave some comments, give it a big thumbs up, and let me know what other cars you want to see on the channel.